What's up, guys? This is Linus, the Taiwanese who teaches Chinese online. Welcome back to Chinese Song Learning. Today's song is Li Bai, sung by Li Ronghao. Li Bai was a Chinese poet in the Tang Dynasty, and he was acclaimed from his own day to the present as a genius and a romantic figure who took traditional poetic forms to the new height. His literature works are unquestionably amazing. If you are into Chinese literature, you must read his works. Alright, let's get back to the song. As usual, I will play the song for you, and then we read the lyrics together. Are you ready? Let's get started.去看世俗的眼光，我认真学习了世俗眼光，世俗到天亮。一部外国电影没听懂一句话，看完结局才是笑话。你看我多乖多聪明，多么听话，多奸诈。喝了几大碗米酒再离开，是为了模仿。一出门不小心涂的那幅是谁的书画？你一天一口一个亲爱的对方，多么不流行的模样，都应该练练书法，再出门闯荡，才会有的人情来找。要是能重来，我要选李白，好几百年前做的好坏，没那么多人猜。要是能重来，我要选李白，至少我还能写诗来澎湃，逗逗女孩。要是能重来，我要选李白，创作也能到那么高端，被那么多人崇拜。要是能重来，大部分人要我学习去看世俗的眼光，我认真学习了世俗眼光，世俗到天亮。一部外国电影没听懂一句话，看完结局才是笑话。你看我多乖多聪明，多么听话，多奸诈。喝了几大碗米酒再离开，是为了模仿。一出门不小心吐的那幅是谁的书画？你一天一口一个亲爱的对方，多么不流行的模样，都应该练练书法，再出门闯荡，才会有人热情买账。要是能重来，我要选李白，好几百年前做的好坏，没那么多人猜。至少我还能写诗来澎湃，逗逗女孩，创作也能到那么高端，被那么多人崇拜。Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it, and feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below. If you like my content, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.